Hello friends, today I want to show and explain how to make a powerful PLDC motor using speaker magnet and transformer board. Okay, now look at the picture. Here this is the powerful PLDC motor generator because it is used as a motor and motor generator and separately generator with the external drive. Okay, this is the there are three type of application: motor generator and generator driven by the external driver or motor. Okay, now I am going to explain with the picture. Okay, look at the picture. It is a powerful PLDC motor generator. Here the motor has two main parts, stator and rotor. The stator is made with a transformer E-core and rotor is made up of speaker magnet. Here a speaker magnet is split into two semicircle, okay, and is attached to the opposite side. Okay, there are two speaker magnet is used here. Okay, this is the rotor and this is the PLDC drive with the Hall sensor, dual sensor. Okay, here the when I used the motor, the secondary 12 volts side is taken as a motor stator winding. Okay, when it is used as a generator, the transformer secondary winding 230 volt side is taken as a generator output. Okay, it is also used as a separate generator with the external drive. So three type of applications. Here the generator generate 12 volt DC supply input and output is 230 volt AC given. It also given a sinusoidal waveform. Okay, now look at the motor. Now I am going to run the motor with a drive. Okay, hello friends, look at this. Here this is the rotor using a speaker magnet and two transformer E-core is used for a stator. Okay, here this is the dual pole sensor and this is the PLDC drive. Okay, with the Hall sensor, and here this is the regulated power supply unit. Okay, now here the motor is going to start. Supply voltage is 7 volts. Our motor is going to the high speed. Okay, how it is working now I am going to explain. Here the red LED indicate the north pole is coming and the magnetic stator field is energized as a south pole, so it attract the south pole. Now when the south pole is coming, here the blue LED indicate and given the signal to the drive and the field supply is changed changed as a north pole, so the south pole going to attract, so that's why the motor continuously rotate. Okay. Hello friends, now I am going to explain how the generator work. Okay, it produces the sinusoidal valve, the rotor and the stator has closed loop system. It convert the 12 volt to 230 volts. Here now it is how it is working. Here the first half cycle, the center pole is north and the other two pole is south. So the magnetic flux passes north pole to south pole, so the flux move to upward and downward to the other outside link. So the due to this, the halfway the generated EMS is positive half cycle. Due to the now the rotor is rotated 180 degree. What happened? The bottom pole is move upward. Hence the south pole is center, the outer pole is north. So the flux passes from outer pole to the central pole, that is it is downward. Here the flux passes upward, here the flux passes downward. So it generates the EMF in the negative half cycle. So when the rotor is rotated full 360 degree, it produces the one AC cycle. So okay, here the eco has 3 pole and the rotor has the 3 poles. So that's why it is very efficiently generate the EMF and also run a motor. And also it is a closed flux loop system. That's why there is no leakage of flux and it is a efficient manner. Okay. Now I am going to explain the generator output. Okay. Hello friends, look at the picture. Look at the generator. The 230 volt primary side is seriously connected and taken and connected to the multimeter. Here look at this. Now going to rotate as a, it generate the EMF. Okay. Now I am going to start as a motor generator. Okay. Look at this. Almost generates 150 volts. Okay. $150 it generates 150 volts. Okay. Hello friends, now I am going to switch on the power supply. Here I connect the load 230 volt bulb. Look at this. Where the 230 volt bulb is loaded. Okay. Hello friends, if you like this project, please subscribe and press the bell button and also press the like button. Thank you for watching the video.